Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to solve a Unix question. I have already created a video on all the concepts of the Unix which you need to know to clear the assessment. I have given link to that video in the description. I would recommend you to watch that video if you're not familiar with the Unix concepts or Unix commands. Coming to the question, here they have given, you have a file having music details. The format of the file is as shown below. Hash is the delimiter. That is, hash is the field separator. You can see here, hash is separating the fields ID, playlist type, and the count. So this will be treated as first column, this will be treated second column, and the count will be treated as third column. And they have asked us to write a Unix command to find the sum of the count whose count is less than 25. And we are supposed to print the output in the following format, that is total sum colon then the sum value which we will calculate. In case there are no records which fulfills the given conditions, we are supposed to print the message no records found. Now let's see what is the output we are supposed to get. So this is the input which is given in the question, and they have asked us to find the sum of the count whose count is less than 25. First, it will check the first record and it will see what is the count. Here the count is 22, which is less than 25. So this will be taken into consideration. So it will be 22 plus. Then it will check the next record and it will check the count field whether the count field is less than 25. Here it is 24, which is less than 25. It will take 24 into consideration. Then it will check the third record and it will say whether count is less than 25. It is not, so it will ignore this record. Then it will check the fourth record. Here the count is 27, which is not less than 25, so it will discard this record also. So the output will be 24 plus 22 plus 24, which is equal to 46. And the final output will be in the format as given in the question, that is total sum, then colon, then the sum value which we calculated just now. So the final output will be like total sum colon then the sum value which is 46. So final output should be like this. Let's write the code. I'm using onlinegdp.com to write the code. First thing I'll do is I'll paste the input. Now we have the input. Then we can write the awk script. So first we will write awk keyword. We have to write the begin section. So we'll write begin. In begin section, we specify the delimiter, that is fs. So here we'll specify the delimiter as hash. And first let's try to print the count field. Since we want to focus only on the count field, we'll first print the count field. Okay, so I'll write print $3. Since it is the third field, so I have written $3. Now if I run this code, I'm getting only the count of the songs. That is, there are 22 melody songs, 24 devotional songs, 26 mass songs, and 27 sad songs. So I'm getting that count here. Now what I'll do is I'll simply write a condition, that is if statement. So we'll just check if third field, that is the count field, is less than 25, then if the third field is less than 25, that is the count is less than 25, we want to add that count to the variable sum, that is sum equal to sum plus $3. We haven't initialized the sum variable, so we'll do that in the begin section, that is sum is equal to 0. Now we have done the condition checking, that is If the count is less than 25, then we are adding that count to the sum variable. Now we will write the end section, that is end, and inside end section I'll specify in end section what we want to do is we want to check if sum is equal to 0. If sum equal to 0, then we'll come to know that there are no records having the count less than 25. If the sum is not equal to 0, then we'll come to know that there are records with the count value less than 25. If sum is 0, then we'll print the message no records found. If sum is not 0, then we'll print the sum value. So we'll do if sum is equal to 0, we want to print no records found. Else we want to print the sum value, and the sum value should be in the format total sum colon then the sum value. So I will specify print total sum colon, then I will specify the sum value. Now if I run the program, I'm getting the output as total sum 46. Now let's change value to greater than 25 everywhere. So I'll make it 26 and I'll make this 27. And now if I run the program, I should get the value that no records found. I'm getting that no records found here. So it's working fine. This was about the Unix question 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.